SamCart has evolved into a powerful platform for creating high converting landing pages, especially for entrepreneurs and businesses focused on direct to consumer sales. As of 2025, SamCart offers over 100 professionally designed, mobile responsive templates suitable for various industries. The drag and drop builder provides extensive design flexibility. Start with a template, then customize the hero section with a compelling headline and call to action. This is the first thing visitors see and determines whether they stay or leave. Showcase your product with high quality images and clear descriptions. Visual presentation is crucial for converting visitors into customers. Add social proof like customer testimonials and trust badges to build credibility. These elements help overcome visitor skepticism and increase conversion rates. Ensure clear pricing with multiple payment options for a seamless checkout experience. This final step is crucial for converting visitors into paying customers. SamCart's template system and customization tools provide everything needed to create professional, high-converting landing pages that drive sales and grow your business. SamCart's one-page checkout process is designed to minimize friction and maximize conversions. Unlike traditional multi-step checkouts that can lose customers at each stage, SamCart keeps everything on a single, streamlined page. Offering multiple payment options is crucial for conversion optimization. SamCart supports credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other popular payment methods to accommodate different customer preferences. Order bumps are strategic upsells presented at checkout that can significantly increase your average order value. These complimentary offers appear as simple checkboxes, making it easy for customers to add them to their purchase. Abandoned cart recovery emails are essential for recapturing potentially lost sales. SamCart's automated email sequences can recover 15 to 20% of abandoned carts by reminding customers about their incomplete purchases. Continuous A/B testing of headlines, images, and call to action buttons is crucial for optimization. Test different versions of your landing page elements to identify what resonates best with your audience and drives higher conversions. Creating urgency with limited time offers and countdown timers can significantly boost conversions. These psychological triggers encourage immediate action by making customers feel they might miss out on a valuable opportunity. Displaying security badges and guarantees builds customer trust and reduces purchase anxiety. SSL certificates, money-back guarantees, and recognized security seals can increase conversion rates by 25% or more. Video sales letters and interactive video elements can dramatically boost engagement and conversions. Video-enabled landing pages show 60% higher engagement rates compared to text-only pages, making them a powerful tool for explaining complex products or services. These checkout optimization strategies work together to create a seamless, trustworthy, and compelling purchases experience. By implementing these techniques systematically, you can significantly improve your SamCart landing page conversion rates and maximize your revenue potential.